channel. I am so happy to see you. My name is Ann, and this is Postcards from My Golden Years. I want to welcome my newest subscribers. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I am so thrilled that you chose to subscribe. And if you're not already a subscriber, all you need to do is look below and click that little button that says subscribe and click the bell next to it if you want to be reminded every time I upload a video so you don't miss a thing. So today I'm going to talk about something that seems very basic to most of us, but so many of us get lazy, and I have to admit sometimes I do as well, about washing our makeup brushes. We use these brushes, I do, daily. And I got to the point where I started buying more brushes so that I didn't have to worry about washing one that keeps getting dirtier and dirtier. But the fact is they should really be washed, if not every day, every few days, every week. And I've gotten a little bit lax simply because I have a number of brushes, so I alternate, and then I forget that I need to go back and wash the dirty one. So I've tried all kinds of things to get the brushes washed, dried, and nice and soft again. And I am simply going to show you what I have found to be my best solution for getting clean brushes. So take a look. So it's a very good idea to wash your makeup brushes at least once a week. Let me show you how I do mine. Okay, now this one isn't very dirty, but I have found the best thing to wash my brushes is just Dawn antibacterial hand soap that I use to wash my dishes. And basically, I just sprinkle a little on top of the brush, and then I work it in like this. See that? Get it nice and foamed. And then I turn on the water and just rinse that out. And since this one wasn't very dirty, I didn't use this very often. There's not a whole lot of makeup coming out. And I just pat it down in the sink a couple times just to make sure that I got all the makeup out. And then I set up a paper towel over here on my kitchen counter, and I lay the brushes right there temporarily. Okay, here's the next brush. See, this one's got lots of makeup in it. So I'm gonna wet it, get it started. And it's kind of stiff because makeup is dried up in it. Okay, now that I've got it wet, I'm going to pour some Dawn in there, and I'm going to work the Dawn through the brush. See what I'm doing? Oh, it's already starting to come out on my counter. And then you just rinse. And you can feel the brush getting softer, like all those stiff bristles that were coated with dried up foundation. They're now real soft. But just to be sure, I'm going to do it again and work more soap through the brush again. See, like that. And I can see the soap is getting discolored, so it's picking up more makeup in there. And then go back under the water. Just rinse. And I keep doing this until the brush is clear. Until the water is clear. Tap it on the bottom of the sink, and I'm going to try one more shot of Dawn and work it in there again. Still, some more is coming out when I'm tapping it into the sink. And the water is clear. Okay, that's number 2. Okay, here's another one. Just look how dirty that is. That's got a lot of makeup. Some of these, I have to admit, I have not washed in probably a couple weeks or more. I alternate brushes when I use them for my foundation. So I'm not using the same brush all the time because I don't want it to get all caked like this. So, but then I get busy and I forget that I gotta wash my brushes. You can see the dirty foundation water coming out of the brush in my sink. Okay, I'm gonna do it again. I have purchased makeup brush cleaners that come in a bottle. And first of all, it's the bottle that I had. It was this one right here, and it had a lid that you were supposed to tap the brush into. And after using it the very first time, that whole bottle, all the cleaner just got dirty because of tapping the dirty brush on top of the bottle to get soap up. But it was making the makeup residue go into that bottle. So I got to the point where I decided that is not a good idea. And I discovered that Dawn works great. So I've done this now twice. I'm going to do it one more time on this brush. Okay, see, here we are. Get nice and sudsy. I can tell there's still makeup in it because it's dripping on my counter here. I'm going to work the soap and the water through the brush. Get it to come out clear. Okay, we got that one. And then here's one other one. This one isn't very dirty, but it's got like a stiff blob right there that sort of stands up. See that blob? I don't know what that is, but so I need to wash the brush just to get rid of it, whatever it is. I don't recall ever using this for foundation, so it may be something else. Kind of creepy. What could it be? Okay. So again, I'm just working the soap through the brush. Oh, and lots of foundation makeup coming out of it. So I guess that's what it was. It was that hard blob in the center of the brush. And let me try one more time. A little bit more. It down in the sink. Okay, that one's all set. Okay, this brush is a brush that I use for concealer. So you can see this one is really clogged with concealer. Look how much concealer is in there. So I'm going to get that one all set. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to run some water in here. And concealer seems to be harder to get out of brushes, from my own experience. Harder to get out of brushes than just dried up foundation and stuff. But I'm going to do it the same way. Pour the Dawn in there, work it through the brush, okay, and then run water through it. Oh, look at all that coming out of there. It's so nice to have soft, clean brushes. I should not let my brushes get this bad. I only have the one concealer brush, and I tend to use that every day. And then I get busy and forget I need to clean that brush. Plus, it takes a while to dry, and I don't want to be without the brush. Although I've since gotten those little round, I don't know what you call them, makeup applicators. They look like sort of like egg-shaped. I've started using those to alternate with the brush, so that I don't use the brush all the time. So these are two of these little blenders that I use when I'm not using my concealer brush. And I'm going to go and I'm going to wash them or toss them, I haven't decided which. And here are a couple clean ones ready to go. So that's how simple that is. I'll go through this a second time. See, I'm foaming this up. And I think this is going to be the last time because I'm not seeing any makeup dripping or watercolor that's colored with concealer. I think this brush is pretty much back to being all clean. Okay, so now I have all of my brushes. They're all clean. And what I do is I take the clean paper towel. I take a clean paper towel, doubled like this. And now I'm going to take them into my bathroom and I'm going to lay them on the edge of the vanity with the brush part hanging over it, just lined up so that they can air dry. So here they are in my vanity, or in my bathroom on the vanity, and they're all lined up. Now these may take until, I guess maybe, I'll be lucky if tomorrow late morning they're all dry. But I just use other things while they're drying. And then I will be able to start with nice, fresh, so checking my brushes this morning, this one is all dry. This was the concealer brush and very soft, just like when I bought it. And this one also very clean, very soft. Okay, this one's still damp. So this is a foundation brush. That one's gonna have to sit for a little longer. Let's see, now this one, another little foundation or blender brush. This one is still a little damp, so I'm just gonna let that sit for a while. And this one, oh, super soft and silky, and that blob that was in it, all gone. So I hope I've given you the inspiration to go grab all of your makeup brushes and get your bottle of Dawn soap and start washing. It only takes a few minutes. I mean, as you can see, the video that I did for you, that was in real time. And I'm all done washing my brushes now for a few days, as long as I remember to do it again in a few days. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you're not a subscriber, again, click below. Please, if you thought this video was of some value to you, please give me a thumbs up. It really does help my videos, my channel, move up higher in YouTube's algorithms, and they show it to more people so that I can grow my channel. So just that little thumbs up is quite powerful, and I would appreciate it if you could give me one. So thanks again for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.